Welcome back. Goa Mining People's Front has given a deadline of 15th March to the government to resolve the issue of mining dependence. Front has said that its members will boycott Lok Sabha elections if government does not resolve the issue. Front has demanded revocation of government suspension order on mining operations issued in September 2012. They have also threatened of Goa Bandh and a massive agitation.
Even we went to the extent of telling the people of Goa, mining affected people of Goa, you boycott these elections. If these political parties does not resolve your problem, boycott the elections. प्रश्न बेगीतल्या बेगीन सॉल्व जावपाक जाय. आमी सरकाराक 15 मार्चाची मुदत दिल्ली आसा आणि 15 मार्च 2014 म्हणसर हो प्रश्न सुटावे जाले ना. सरकारान गोंय सरकारान हे जे दस्तावेज सुप्रीम कोर्टान दिवपाक जाय ते फायल्स केले ना जाल्यार आमी नॉर्थ गोवान जे आंदोलन केलां तशेंच साऊथ गोवान आंदोलन करतले आणि वेळ पडल्यार गोंय बंद करपाची शिटकावणी मानावळ आमी काडलेली आसा.
अनेक स्टेटमेंट केला प्रमोद सावंतान की कितलेशे कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट कॅज्युअल कामगार जांकां भायर उडयल्यात तांकां सरकार पयशे दिता. आय अगेन चॅलेंज दीस पर्रीकर गव्हर्मेंट पर्टिक्युलरली प्रमोद सावंत तेणी फाल्यां पब्लिकली 25 कामगारांची नांवां दिवची तांकां ह्या सरकारान आधार शिरो केला कामगार म्हणून. ओन्ली 25 नेम्स सस्पेंड तुवें केला ते पयलें विथड्रॉ कर. लेट द सुप्रीम कोर्ट गिव एनी हेल्प ऑफ द डिसिजन even closing permanently the mining in the state of Goa. But let the Chief Minister of Goa, let him withdraw the suspension because he has already taken money from 29 mine leases.
Kolkata-based India Government Mint will take the Lusophonia Games medals for repairs after it was noticed that many of them were of bad quality. The officials of Kolkata Mint came to Goa and were demanding payment, but the Lusophonia Games Organizing Committee stayed firm on their stand of not paying the Mint unless the poor quality games medals are repaired. Sources told Prudent that the Kolkata Mint will take back over 1,000 medals for repairs.
The Unit of Security Printing and Minting Corporation of India Limited, Kolkata Mint, manufactured these medals for Lusophonia Games. Hardly 2 weeks after the games, it was noticed that the medals had developed black spots and luster vanishing from the medals. The Kolkata Mint officials also played spoil sport and were hard to find on telephone, as Director of Sport V.M. Prabhudesai found out. The Lugok officials pursued the case and the government appointed a fact-finding team in mid-February. Sources told Prudent that Kolkata Mint wanted their money, but Lugok stayed firm on their stand of demanding the repairs of medals on priority. The Lugok sources have confirmed that Kolkata Mint will repair 1,270 commemorative medals, 16 gold medals, 24 silver and 48 bronze medals. The financial terms have not yet been finalized and will be dealt after the medals are repaired. Bureau Report, Prudent.
The entire state is in the mood of carnival. King Momo arrived in Vasco on Monday. The dance, float parades and much more. Have a look.
Viva, viva carnaval. Nasta porta la certa. Zantenente a sakusha. So voita goito carnaval. Carnaval, onde carnaval. So voia, wazon talartal. Apletore zauia kushal. Nazzonuro zaliat hal. Vivere viva, viva carnaval. Vivere viva, viva carnaval. Vivere viva, viva carnaval.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.